Most drivers miss these hidden car features. Don't be one of them. Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Care Zone. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked by many drivers: hidden car features that can make your driving experience safer, easier, and more comfortable. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the road, you might be missing out on some powerful tools right at your fingertips. Let's get started. 1. Advanced safety features. First up, let's talk about advanced safety features. Many modern cars come equipped with technologies designed to protect you and your passengers. For instance, did you know that a lot of vehicles have a blind spot monitoring system? This feature alerts you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot when you're changing lanes. It's a game changer for highway driving. 2. Adaptive cruise control. Next, let's discuss adaptive cruise control. This feature doesn't just maintain your speed, it also adjusts to the flow of traffic. If the car in front of you slows down, your car will automatically reduce speed and then accelerate back to your set speed when the coast is clear. It's perfect for long road trips and can reduce fatigue. 3. Built-in navigation and voice commands. Many drivers overlook the built-in navigation systems. Not only can these systems provide real-time traffic updates, but they often have voice command features that allow you to input destinations without taking your hands off the wheel. Just say where you want to go and let your car do the rest. 4. Heated and ventilated seats. Now let's talk about comfort. Heated and ventilated seats are features that can be found in many vehicles, but not all drivers use them. In colder months, heated seats can make your drive much more comfortable, while ventilated seats keep you cool in the summer. Make sure to check your settings for a more enjoyable ride. 5. Smartphone integration. Another feature often missed is smartphone integration, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These systems allow you to access your favorite apps, music, and messages directly from your car's display. It keeps you connected while keeping your focus on the road. 6. Automatic emergency braking. Now, let's talk about automatic emergency braking. This feature detects when a collision is imminent and automatically applies the brakes to prevent or lessen the impact. It's especially useful in stop-and-go traffic and can be a lifesaver in critical situations. 7th, child lock. Finally, let's talk about a child lock on car doors. It is a safety feature designed to prevent rear doors from being opened from the inside. This feature is particularly important for families with young children, as it helps keep kids safely inside the vehicle while it is in motion. Child locks prevent children from accidentally opening the door while the vehicle is moving, reducing the risk of falls or accidents. Parents can drive with greater confidence, knowing that their children cannot open the doors without adult assistance. It allows parents to manage their children's movements and ensure they stay secure in the back seat. In situations where a child might become restless, child locks help prevent them from trying to exit the vehicle unexpectedly. Typically, child locks are engaged using a switch or lever located on the door itself. In some cars, the locks are activated using a key. When activated, the door can only be opened from the outside, ensuring that the rear seat passengers remain secure. So there you have it. These hidden car features can greatly enhance your driving experience. Make sure to explore your vehicle's manual to discover even more features you might be missing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks from Car Care Zone. Until next time, drive safe, and we will see you in our next video.